You want to put them down?
All right, come on.
All right, Christmas morning.
Hey, I think Santa brought you something. What is it? Go see it. Go see what Santa brought you. No, he didn't bring you Mega Bloks. Christian, look. Come on. Look. What's this? What's that? What is it? It says, to Christian from Santa. And this is a door. Open the door. Go inside. Do you like it? Look it, ring the doorbell. Go. Push it. Ah. Yeah, there's a door. This is a little house. Yeah, you gotta go inside the house. I know, tell Dad that. This battery's gonna be dead soon. Open the door. Open the door. Ready? You can go inside your house. Go inside your house. No? I want you to press the doorbell 500 times.
No.
Yes. You like it? You say thank you to Santa? Yeah?
No.
Yeah. All right, you want to open another present from Santa? Yes. Okay, let's look at this present.
He's going inside.
He's going in. Go inside. Go inside your house. That says to Christian from Santa, and there's Santa. He says, ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Can we open another present now?
Sure.
Okay. You ready? You already started to open it. You want to open this present from Santa? What is it? Christian, what is it? Is this... What is it? Is it your drum set? You're trying to open it? Oh. I know. Well, we can try to make it sound. What about this? Shake it. And your little maracas. Ooh. And noisemakers. like your music set? Okay. You want to play with this now? We have one more present too. You open the rest of your presents. Mom and Dad couldn't wait.
Mama couldn't wait.
Oh.
Christian, wave bye-bye to the camera.
Say
Bye-bye.
Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.
Christian, say bye-bye.
Blow kisses.
Want to blow kisses? Mwah.